today's video, I'm gonna show you how to manage your blocked accounts on Reddit, easy and quick. First, click on your profile. Now click settings, and now click account settings. And here you will find it. Manage blocked accounts. Here you will find all your blocked accounts, and that's it. That's how to find and manage your blocked accounts on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.